finding for you some latest Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cell phone. So you can see that here is amazing features and almost here is in every design you can look at the colors and many more. So Android factory unlocked, Android smartphone, 120 GB, 8K camera and video, brightest display screen and 10 long battery life. Whether you can buy it online. So S22 Ultra color, there are almost many colors in this phone. So if you would like to buy online, so I already link given in descriptions. Almost these prices, you can see that almost prices $11.99. Got it? $11.99. So you can buy and choose according to your favorite color. See, there is amazing cell phone. You can see here is amazing color, amazing style, and according to your budget you can buy online. If you want to buy online, so you can see link has been given in descriptions, so visit the link and buy online. Thank you so much.